Alright guys, 2014 corn harvest 2014 has started. So there's the combine right there. We only shelled one round around the field here. I'm not sure how many acres it is, but we don't chop silage, so we pick corn. So yeah, that big Easy Trail wagon's what's got the shelled corn on it. Maybe if he hasn't gone too far, you can probably see it. There it is. So yeah, we're picking corn. But right now, I'm going to get the tractor and bush hog around this, so we don't have to track across and wear the tires out. So yeah, day one, this is probably gonna be oh my god. But day number one usually ends up with breakdowns, but we pray to God that doesn't happen. So yeah, I'll catch y'all when I got the bush hog. Alright, so I'm back. I'm chopping stalks right now, because that way we don't have to worry about messing with them while we're unloading and stuff. Probably won't be able to see because of the sun, but yeah, we only shelled one round around it. That's 6 rows for us. And from what my uncle said while he was shelling, he said this is 200 plus bushel corn. I'm shocked. I really am. I mean, we won't really know because that combine doesn't have a yield monitor like the John Deere one does, but still. Alright, so I'm gonna get out of here because I got work to do now. This won't be the only harvest video. There's plenty more to come. There's the picker right there. He hasn't even got one round around. I don't know how full he is, so please like, comment, and subscribe. I know all y'all have said that you're waiting for harvest to happen. Well, it's going on. It's happening. So, catch y'all later.